Peppa Pig Canal Boat. Today, Peppa and George are visiting the dog family to celebrate Captain Dog's birthday.
Hooray!
His cake has a sailing boat decoration on it.
Wow.
Open your present, says Mummy Dog. It's a boat trip, says Captain Dog. That's just what I wanted. Captain Dog puts on his captain's hat and daydreams about their trip. You can go anywhere you want with a sailing boat, says Captain Dog. He imagines sailing to a beautiful tropical island. Then Captain Dog imagines spotting a big blue whale from his sailing boat. He can't wait for the adventure to begin.
Wow!
All aboard! Cries Captain Dog. He tries to raise the sail, but he can't see it anywhere. Canal boats do not have sails. Just push the button to make it start, says Mummy Dog. Oh, I see. Off we go, says Captain Dog. Captain Dog decides to go faster. You should slow down, says Mummy Dog. They are getting close to a mountain. Look out, shouts Peppa. We're going to crash. No, we're going into the tunnel, says Mummy Dog calmly. It is exciting inside the tunnel.
Wow!
It's gone all dark, gasped Danny. And our voices sound funny, says Peppa. This canal boat is fun after all, says Captain Dog. Soon they approach a second mountain. There must be another tunnel, says Captain Dog. Actually, we're going over it this time, says Mummy Dog. We call this a lock. Carefully, Captain Dog stops the boat. Watch, I'll show you, says Mummy Dog. She opens up the gates to the lock. And Captain Dog drives the boat in. Then Mummy Dog closes the lock gates and lets the water pour in slowly from the other side. We're going up, gasped Peppa. The boat is lifted up as the lock fills with water. Mummy Dog opens the gates and Captain Dog drives the boat out of the lock. We're in the sky, shouts Peppa. We're sailing over a bridge, says Danny.
Wow!
I've sailed through the mountains and across the sky, says Captain Dog. This is my best birthday ever. The end. Peppa Pig. Bubbles. Peppa and George are drinking orange juice. Look at all the tiny bubbles, says Peppa. Peppa wants to make bigger bubbles.
Wow!
Peppa and George blow through their straws. Bubble, says George. Peppa and George go into the garden to blow more bubbles. Dip the stick in the bubble mixture, Peppa tells George. Now take a big breath and blow. Peppa blows a big bubble.
Wow!
Next it's George's turn. But he doesn't have enough breath to blow bubbles. Lift the stick and wave it around, says Mummy Pig. Bubble, says George. Now George can make bubbles too. Making bubbles is even more fun if you run along, says Daddy Pig. George runs, waving the wand to make a stream of bubbles. "Wait for me," calls Peppa, chasing him. George is having fun making bubbles, and Peppa is having fun popping them. "I love bubbles," cries Peppa. Peppa and George want to play with bubbles all day. "Oh no," Peppa gasps. "There's no more bubble mixture."
Oh no!
"I have an idea," says Daddy Pig. "Mummy Pig, please bring me a bucket. Peppa, please bring me some washing up liquid. And George, please bring me my old tennis racket." Mummy Pig, Peppa and George give everything to Daddy Pig.
Wow!
Daddy Pig fills the bucket with water, then he adds the washing up liquid. Daddy Pig has made his own bubble mixture. Daddy Pig uses the racket as a giant bubble wand.
Wow!
"Come on, everyone," Daddy Pig cries. Daddy Pig is making lots of bubbles as he runs.
Hooray!
"Don't slip and fall," shouts Mummy Pig. "I'll be fine," says Daddy Pig. But he is running very fast. Oh no! Daddy Pig has fallen over. "Are you all right, Daddy Pig?" asks Mummy Pig. "Yes, I'm fine, thank you. But I've spilt all my bubble mixture. I think it's gone up my nose," says Daddy Pig. The bubble mixture makes Daddy Pig sneeze. Choo!
Daddy, you've made the biggest bubble ever!
cries Peppa.
Wow!
"Wow!" says everyone.
But without the bubble mixture, we can't make any more bubbles,
says Peppa sadly. "I have an idea," says Mummy Pig. "The spilt mixture has made a muddy puddle for us to jump in."
The puddle is all bubbly,
gasps Peppa. Everyone loves jumping up and down in muddy, bubbly puddles. The end.
Hi kids, did you have fun watching this video? Then like and subscribe for more.